Hi, my name's Jonathan Troller, and we're here to talk today about the new Alienware Aurora. When designing the new Aurora, we knew we needed to get that performance where gamers expect it to be. And we wanted to do all that while still retaining that Alienware ID that our customers expect. The new Alienware Aurora includes up to 4 120mm fans and an optional Cryotic liquid cooling solution. That means next-gen cooling performance, higher overclocks, more consistent gameplay, frames per second, and everything that a gamer cares about. So an Alienware is an Alienware, right? And you need to be able to distinguish that from across the room. We took this mid-tower chassis and we slammed as much performance, and not just frames per second, but thermal performance, acoustic performance as we possibly could, all managed, all well maintained, and able to hit what gamers care about and appreciate. One of the biggest challenges was thermals. Cooling that performance and making it not sound like a jet engine. It was one of the biggest challenges that we were able to overcome with smart fan curves, with really genius design around fan placement and venting. All those fans work in unison. They understand where you're getting hot, where you need extra RPMs on those fans, cool those components down, and get the best possible gaming performance. One of our biggest sources of inspiration was the DIY market. That is the biggest source of information that anybody could ask for, especially when it comes to gaming desktops. I'm a DIYer myself. We all understood, well, this is what they do well, but what can we do the same but better? And we had a starting point that was based on our own expertise, our own feedback, but more importantly, feedback from our customers, from gamers. And we took all that and we meshed it all together, and it was the spark that created this, right? This new Aurora. It drew on so much expertise. It drew on so much passion. And really that's the key word, is passion. We took all of this previous learning and knowledge that we have, I mean, just years of designing desktops, gaming desktops. And we took all that expertise, we made something new out of it. In this new Aurora, we kind of went old school and reintroduced hidden cable management. If anybody recalls our old Alienware Area 51 or Aurora products from the past, we always had this sort of hidden cable management built in, and we brought that back. To have more efficient airflow, we hid a lot of those power cables, like kind of rat's nest inside the chassis. We hid them behind the removable right side panel. So all that air that's coming in isn't hindered anymore. It is going exactly where it needs to go. So your graphics card, your hard drive, your processor, everything that a gamer cares about running cool, it's staying cool. I'm really excited about the internal lighting. Something that as a DIYer myself, I've always wanted to do is personalize my system. Having those options, having those choices, that matters. Gamers above all want to be able to make what they have theirs. I think gamers are going to say, finally, Alienware has delivered a desktop that not only meets all of their expectations, but exceeds them, and does that while still being an Alienware. When I got my first sample in, I was just blown away. It was very surreal to me to have looked at diagrams on a piece of paper and emails back and forth and all these meetings and all these discussions. And then suddenly I had this living, breathing thing in front of me. It delivered far beyond even my expectations. I'm proud to have been a part of a very talented team that got us here. Well, for me, gaming is an outlet. I can be me, and it doesn't matter what game it is. It's something I love. And being able to do what I love and play what I love and do it with my friends, what's better than that? Well, thank you for watching. We hope you have as much fun with the new Alienware Aurora as we had designing it. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel and our social media handles at Alienware for more.